What?
I love you.
Baby, this is stressful. Yeah, the Italian, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, hey. Mm. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef liver in 2 minutes. Not only is it going to be quick, it's going to be delicious. Growing up, I never liked liver. My parents would make liver and onions, and it was probably my least favorite meal to eat. But now that I'm a little older and a little wiser, I love it. I know the health benefits of organ meat, and beef liver is on the tops of my list now that I'm doing carnivore. So here we go. To make this amazing beef liver, there's only 4 ingredients. One of them being the liver. We also have kosher salt, Kerrygold butter, but the secret ingredient is bacon grease. So the burner is heating. We got it on a medium-high heat. And the secret ingredient is the bacon grease. So you want to make sure that the bacon grease is nice and hot, because what you're looking to do is get a nice sear on that liver. So you see it smoking a little bit, and it's just perfect. So I'm going to take our liver and very carefully place it in the pan. And then we're going to add some kosher salt. Now I like my liver to have nice crisp edges. I like a good sear on that liver. I think it has a better texture, and it just gives you a little extra flavor too. So you want to put it on there for about 45 seconds or so. Let it sear. Then you can just go ahead and check to see, because everybody's a little different. Oh yeah, almost there. I like it crispy. And then we're going to flip it over. Nice thing about beef liver is it doesn't take long to cook. Beautiful. Add a little more salt on top. Extra flavor. And it looks like it's about done. Look at that. Beautiful. Crispy and delicious. And then we're just going to add a pat of Kerrygold butter. Let it melt, and we will enjoy. And that, my friends, is the perfect way to cook beef liver. So good.